Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have another unboxing video. We got something nice today. So the box looks really nice. Voodoo on one side, Eotech on the other. As always with your knives, always cut away from you. Nice little invoice, don't need to worry about that. Now here is the site. So I ended up purchasing a EXPS3. So as you can see down here, HWS stands for Holographic Weapon Sight. And you can see on the side here, EXP. So here is the box out of the packaging. You have a nice little engraving right here. Nice heavy plastic and durable. And you have these two locking pieces so that you can't take your stuff. So pull it out to the side. Nice foam piece right here to pad and keep your stuff padded. Eotech sticker. Stickers are super important. Stickers are half the reasons why I buy stuff. QRF card or quick reference card. Looks like disclaimers, product registration, and warranty. And here is our site. So this is an EXPS3. Some of the quick, and it's also in tan, some of the quick differences. You have this nice QD latch right here, so you can quickly mount on and off. When you're opening this up, make sure you push down on this right here. You have your on switch right here, which is actually the up button, and this also functions as to increase your brightness. You have a night vision button here, and then this button here with a down arrow decreases your brightness. Next, you have your nice aluminum hood. As you can see, it goes all the way around. This is so you don't break your objective or your ocular lens here. Sounds pretty solid. And then up front here, you have your battery compartment. Feels like there's already a battery in there. And then here you have your up and down and left and right adjustments for when you're zeroing. Nice good thing about this is that it's dummy corded in here, and there is a battery, so we are good to go. Hopefully my iPhone will actually capture what the reticle looks like. Not really. You can see it a little bit. Maybe if I lower the setting. Nope, still not focusing. So, but the bottom line is right there is your 68 MOA ring. And then there's also two additional dots, so that the middle dot in the center of the red dot sight or the holographic sight is going to be for 50 and 200 yards. And then the middle one dot is going to be for 500 yards. And then the bottom of the ring is going to be for 7 yards. I'll throw in an image just so you guys can understand what I'm saying. And then also to turn off your holographic sight, you're going to push on these two buttons at the same time, hold it, and now it's gone. So overall, the sight looks really good. It feels a little bit heavy, but it is what it is. I appreciate the durability. In the future, I might put one of those new Eotech G43, I think they're called. The magnifiers are a little bit smaller on my LWRC other. The main reason I chose this sight, I've had some experience with it, and I actually like it between the red dot and the holographic sights. And then the other thing was, if I decided to use nods in the future, it'd be really cool to have this capability. And also, I do intend to kind of style my gun as black with a bunch of tan accessories. Also, the last thing is that this would work preferably for the distance that I intend to use my firearm for. So for the LWRC, since it's only a 12.7, I would max use it for 400 meters or 400 yards, and this will be nice and just enough for that. Again, as always, thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next.